Welcome to another Gelato Sunday, where we take a closer look at how different projects are automating smart contracts with Gelato Network. So we've talked a bit about collateral ratio in a previous week and how it's a percentage of a loan that is secured by a discounted asset. And in DeFi, we might want to adjust this ratio based on certain market conditions. The example we'll look at of this today is right here from another protocol. And if you remember from before, the TWAP, time-weighted average price, just measures the token's average price over a set time period. So again, this is running every hour, okay? And actually this one is using an oracle, which is another thing that we've talked about. So it's using an oracle to get token price data, and then using that to say, are we over or under the price target, and then adjust the ratio accordingly. We've also got another seigniorage example this week. So if we recall, seigniorage is an important concept in crypto, specifically with stablecoins, that basically has to do with adjusting token supply in order to help steady the price. Because it's pegged to another asset, but instead of reserves, you're burning or minting new tokens to kind of control what's in circulation algorithmically. So we're looking at this task, which is from Code7 Finance. And if we peek at the smart contract, it looks like there's a lot going on in this function allocate seigniorage. And there's definitely a bit of math happening here. You'll notice the use of epoch in a few places, which in crypto is just considered a period of time. It's usually based on how long it takes the network to finalize a specific number of blocks. So they're comparing the price from the previous epoch to see if seigniorage needs to be allocated, and then checking if tokens need to be minted at a faster rate in order to make that happen. So without having a way for this whole chunk to automatically execute on its own, you can imagine that would be pretty annoying. Here's another super handy one, returning latest price data. Price data is something that we might want to be able to get pretty frequently, and it's great because look at this task here. This is on the Polygon network. We can see that it's been executed 42 times and it's only cost them $1.33. And this one is pretty straightforward what it's doing for each coin, for each day in a given time frame, computing that price data. Obviously, price data is pretty important for just about every DeFi protocol, really. So it's really nice that this just fires off and it's not going to cost you a crazy amount of money. Claiming rewards is another one of those things that you're probably going to want to do fairly often. And right here we can see with this task 355 executions, okay, and about 400 bucks. This one is on Binance Smart Chain. It's going every 30 minutes. Obviously, the point of allocating your crypto to a pool is to receive rewards, so this claim function is taking care of that. It's actually going to signal for those rewards to be minted to the user in this case. So some pretty important tasks in here. Definitely worth looking at how Gelato Network can help with automation for this stuff. Thanks for watching this week's Gelato Sunday, and we'll see you next time.